Okay guys, so let's go ahead and do cat, because why not? So this is one of the basic commands, and this command we're going to be using it a lot, almost in every video. And cat is basically to display the contents of a file on the terminal. And this can be achieved by simply providing a file name as an argument, right? So if we do an ls in here, we can see that we have new one.txt, right? And on the previous video we did this. So if we do cat and let's say new2.txt, you can see that it says this is new.txt. So that is the content of that text file. And you can also see the content of multiple files, of course. So if we do cat, let's say new2 and then new1.txt, it will display the content of those two files. And you can add as many files as you want, right? Let's go ahead and do like the previous video. Let's go ahead and copy new1 to new3, right? So now let's go ahead and go up and let's go ahead and say cat and also new3, and that will display the content of all three files. So that's how you display the content of multiple files in Linux. And if you want to see the line number, you can specify by giving the -n option for the cat. So if we do like this, and if, let's say that you want to see the line of, you can just do -n, and this one will display the line number, right? So let's go ahead and go to nano new2, and let's go ahead and add a new line, more lines, more lines, more lines, more lines. Let's go ahead and save it. And if we do a cat and -n, and let's just say new 2, because that's the one that we just did, press enter, you can see the line number. So line number 1, it says this, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it displays the line number in this, the content per line basically, and it displays you the line number. Really useful command with this argument. And if you want to create a new file, you can also do it with cat, or if you want to, let's say, like overwrite the content, you can also do that. So let's go ahead and clear this. If you do cat, right, to create a new file, let's go ahead and say new file.txt. And when you do that, you can just say then if you do, wait, did I do that right? Let me do an ls. Did I create a new file.txt? Yes, it did. Let's go ahead and do cat new file.txt. And you can see over here that it did create it. So let's go ahead and do that one more time. Let's go ahead and first remove remove new file, which we haven't gone over remove, but we will. Now you can see that it's gone. So let's go ahead and try this again. If you do cat, now that one, this command, and you start typing over here, you say hello, this is me, and press enter, and then you can do a Control-C, and that will save it. So now if we do a cat new file.txt, you can see that over here. If we do a cat to see the line number, say new file.txt, you can see over here, hello, this is me. And now let's go ahead and clear this out. And if you want to, let's say, add content to that file, the way that you do that is that by doing the greater than sign again. So if you do that, what is going to happen is going to copy the content of that file. So let's do an ls. If we do a cat new file, this one says hello, this is me. So let's say that I want to do a cat, and let's say new file, and I want to overwrite new2. Let's go ahead and just copy this and paste new2 in here. That is going to now overwrite the content of the new file, and it's going to add it to new2. So if we do cat new2.txt, hello, it says hello, this is me. And you can also do multiple ones. So if you do like new file, and then you also do like new one.txt, it will add both content. So it will add the content of the new file and also the content of the new one.txt to new 2. There we go. So now if we do a cat n again for new 2, it says hello, this is me, and it also added this is new one.txt. Really, really cool. But now let's say that you want to actually not overwrite, you want to add, or you want to append to it. You want to append to new 2.txt. So it's going to keep what it has, which is this content, and it's going to add at the end. And the way that you do that is by doing this sign twice. So this greater than, if you do it twice, it is going to add, right? It's going to append to this file. Let's go ahead and do that, and then let's go ahead and do to display the content, and you can see that it kept what it had and then it added at the end. So that's how you are able to append to a text instead of overriding what it has, like we did over here. What we did was we overrode what the content of new 2 with this new content. But if we do the 2 greater than sign, it is going to append, right? It's going to add more to this text, to the content of that text document.